That is correct. Did you hear what he said?
Yeah. What is it? Boom.
You divide 12 by 2. And what is 12 divided by 2? 6. Bada boom, bada boom. That's called...
Or you can just do this. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12.
Yes, you could do that as well. That's just...
That looks like childish.
Yep.
I got stabbed in the...
All right. Now, Anthony, what do we do here? Stefan, what do we do?
Oh wait, that's just gonna...
I can do it.
That's just...
I can do it.
6.
6.
I know that
It's 5 plus 1 equals 6.
That is. We do the inverse of...
First, because it's a minus, we do plus.
We do the inverse of subtracting, which is adding. Negative 5 plus 5 is 0.
These are so complicated. I just do like what comes to my mind first, obviously.
Bada boom, bada bing.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay. How do you know minus 63? What do we do here?
You do 7. Can I do it? 9.
I win. You lose.
Or you can do you do 9 times 7. That's it.
I have my way of doing it. Can I show you?
Okay. Well, now we have x. Whoops. X divided by 9
9 times 7.
equals 7. Now what do we do?
9 times 7.
9 times 7 because... And the answer is 63, right?
Plus
63. And we know that 63 divided by 9 minus 7 is 0. You guys got it?
It's a plus. What do you mean 0?
So we do the opposite.
So, I did. So I know that you need 12 plus 7 to get 19. So I just did 3 equals 4.
There's another way to do this. Guys, pay attention, please. Nader, tell us what we do.
This one.
Yeah.
Can I explain
I know that like we should. This is 19. 19 plus 7 it's
19 minus 7.
no,
Guys,
I just wanna plus.
this is where, guys, you need to... You alright? You alright? This is where we need to just follow step by step. The opposite of adding is subtracting. So we subtract. Okay? We get rid of the 7s, and 19 minus 7 is 12. Now we have the 3x. That's all that we have left. What's the opposite of 3x? What's the inverse of 3 and x? It divided by 3. And x equals 4. You guys are always...
This is so complicated.
Oh, I know you got it. Lath, what is the very first thing we do here? He nailed it. You take the 16, you move it to the other side.
And give you minus 16. And then minus 16 is divided by
By what?
8.
Minus 16 is divided by what kind of 8? No, what kind of 8 is that? Because we're multiplying, it doesn't change the value. Now we have negative 16 divided by negative 8, which is what?
Which is negative 4.
What's 16?
Negative 3.
Nope.
X equals 2.
2. Negative
This
2.
is I just did it like this. I just did
So we do the order of operations in reverse. So we have 3 times something, which is k, plus 5, divided by 2 equals 13. What is the very first, which is, the last thing we do would be groups, correct? The first thing we do would be subtracting and adding. Is there, what's the group right here? Remember from our first video, what's the group?
3k plus 5.
3k is our group. So the next thing we do, so we don't have adding and subtracting right now. We have multiplying division, so we have dividing by 2. What's the inverse of dividing by 2? Multiplication. So we're going to multiply the whole thing by 2, and we're going to multiply this by 2. Got it? That removes 2's and leaves us only with, not listening, you're not getting this. What is 13 times 2, Arthur? 26. Now,
no, we're trying to find
do we have addition and subtraction? or a group here? Do we have a group here? The group is the brackets. That's $1 million for you. So that means we do what's outside the brackets, which is like right with the 3. What is the 3 doing, Arthur? What does that leave us with?
2x plus 1 equals 5.
Now what do we do?
You minus 1 from 1 and 5 should give you 2x divided by 2 equals 4 divided by 2 equals 2.
Did everybody get that? Did everybody get...
Minus 4, and we bring x to the other side, and it's minus x 2x.
Нету. Серьезно, нет.
Then what? Easy.
And then we say x equals 2.
So what does that 2 become?
That was not 2.
A minus, a negative.
That was 22. That was not 2.
Minus 7, because 7 changes. That would be 16.
No, it's not.
It looked again.
What is it?
So that would be 16. So then after it would be like
16? Are you sure?
Yeah, but
Sasha? Now what do you do?
so now you do 7x equal
13 plus 3, that's
3x plus 16.
Now what do we do?
Now what you do is you. I think it's easier if you like put it like this.
minus 7 from both sides.
Minus 3x.
K equals 4, just say. That would be 4x. No, so x equals 4. Then after it would be 4x equals 16, and move that there. That would be
16 divided by 4.
that would be 4. So x equal 4.
Say good luck, boys and girls. You're going to do great. Say it.
Good luck, boys and girls.
You're going to do great.
You're gonna do great.
No, you're not.